DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV Weekly News Update. I am Sanwo-Olu. Please, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Also click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us.
So Sanwo-Olu, this is a message for you. You see, I'm not going to cry because I don't cry for cowards. All right? What you did today is totally reprehensible. Tinubu, a message for you too. Yes, this is Ireti Bakari. Yes, Omojari. I am addressing you. Okay? And I am saying to you, you, of all people, you who fought for democracy, you who stood up against the forces that tried to muffle people in this country, you have the audacity. Ah, o ma nigbagbe o. Ejo eje asoro eyen sile. O ma nigbagbe o. Iwo, Jide, enpa awon omo lomo. Why? Because they have the audacity to do what you did during Nadeco. Because they have the audacity to do what the right that's afforded to them by the same constitution that we are all under. How dare you? How dare you think you can kill people's children? How dare you try to take their rights away from them? You fought, when you were in opposition, you fought against military coming into Lagos. I was at Occupy Nigeria. BRF was governor. You, APC, were in opposition. I, Ireti Bakari Yusuf, or Bakari if you like, I have volunteered for APC, I have volunteered for ACN, and you have the audacity, the effrontery, the sheer wickedness and senselessness to kill children. Why? Because they dared to stand up for the same oppression that you stood up for. Ọlọ́run ọba o. Ibi tó máa sin yín sí, wọn ò tí ì rí. Ibi tí wọ́n máa sin yín sí, mark my name. I am furious. I have never done this before. But right now, I am furious. I am a mother. You are a father. All of you. Gbogbo yín pátápátá, ẹ ní tìjú. Ẹ ní tìjú. How many of them are you going to kill? Tell me. How many of them can you kill? How many? Jide, bere mi lọ́wọ́ Yetunde, bere mi lọ́wọ́ Kibo. Shogbo, bere mi lọ́wọ́ Yemisi. Eje asowo governor enu. Oh, govern anything. This is the first time you have disappointed me and all of Lagos since your admin. This is the first time, and this time you've really gone too far. It's so wrong. You give people 4 hours notice for a curfew that you know is going to be manned by military. Oh my nice o. Oh my kind o. Oh my lo ogbon o. Yorùbá ní tí wọ́n bá rán wa níṣẹ́ ẹrú àfi tọmọ jẹ ńbo ni wọ́n sọ tọmọ ẹ sí. Ńbo ló sọ tọmọ ẹ sí. Ńbo ló sọ olúwàbí ẹ sí. Ńbo ló sọ ọpọlọ ẹ sí. Tó ń pa àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ. I was there today. I was there for 2 hours. Nothing happened. That's why I left. But this one that you've done, you are not going to live it down. The world is watching and nobody is afraid of you anymore. Not those kids, nobody. And this is also to federal government. You can keep bullying people. You see, what has happened right now is that, you see these kids, they've stood up to you. They have stood up to the bully. And the best thing about standing up to a bully is that you arrest their mind. A government that has to resort to military and armware and all sorts of violence in order to steal the rights of the citizen from them is a government that's not capable of even boiling friggin' water.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars View, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.